Welcome back to the new session of MCQ series, and the session is specially for the candidates of Haryana Staff Selection Commission Pharmacist exam 31st January 2021, and the session is prepared according to the syllabus of the particular exam, and the topics included are course relevant subjects, general science, computer, general English and reasoning. First category is course relevant subject. First question, vitamin present in coenzyme A. Options are A. Riboflavin, B. Pyridoxine, C. Biotin, D. Pantothenic acid. Correct answer is option D. Pantothenic acid. Question number 2. Known sugar parts of glycoside are called. Option A. Glycone, B. Glycone, C. Glycogen, D. Glycol. Option A. Glycone. Question number 3. All are heterocyclic alkaloids except option A. Nicotine, B. Strychnine, C. Ergotamine, D. Ephedrine. Correct answer is option D. Ephedrine. Question number 4. Which among the following is a non-reducing sugar? Option A. Sucrose, B. Glucose, C. Maltose and D. Lactose. Correct answer is option A. Sucrose. Then 5. Use of potassium iodide in iodide solution. Options are A. Increase the solubility of iodine, B. Decrease the solubility of iodine, C. Reduce the toxicity of iodine, D. Improve the appearance of iodine solution. Correct one is A. Increase the solubility of iodine. Then question number 6. Term used to describe a partial or complete separation of top or bottom of the tablet. Option A. Lamination, B. Capping, C. Picking and D. Chipping. Correct answer is option B. Capping. Then question number 7. Drug of choice for filariasis. Option A. Carbamazepine, B. Diethyl succinimide, C. Diethyl carbamazine, D. Carbamazole. Correct answer is option C. Diethyl carbamazine. Then question number 8. Antibiotic which cause grey baby syndrome. Option A. Gentamicin, B. Doxorubicin, C. Chloramphenicol, D. Amikacin. Correct one is option C. Chloramphenicol. Then question number 9. Acetazolamide inhibits the enzyme. Option A. Alcohol dehydrogenase, B. Aldehyde dehydrogenase, C. Carbonic anhydrase, D. Pyruvate dehydrogenase. Correct answer is option C. Carbonic anhydrase. Next one. Viscosity of agar solution is due to the presence of. Options are A. Agarose, B. Cellulose, C. Agaropectin, D. Cellobiose. Correct one is option C. Agaropectin. Question number 11. Which among the following is not an antithyroid drug? Option A. Carbimazole, option B. Levothyroxine sodium, C. Propyl thiouracil, D. Iodine. Correct answer is option B. Levothyroxine sodium. Question number 12. Anti-estrogen used for the treatment of infertility. Option A. Tamoxifen, B. Ibuprofen, C. Naproxen, D. Clomifen. Correct answer is option D, that is Clomifen. Then 13. Drugs which contain catechol nucleus. Option A. Noradrenaline, B. Ephedrine, C. Phenylephrine, D. Pseudoephedrine. Correct answer is option A. Noradrenaline. Next question, question number 14. Hydrous wool fat is known as. Option A. Lanolin, B. Macrogol, C. Cholesterol and option D. Lecithin. Correct answer is option A. Lanolin. 15. Repacking license are granted in drugs specified in following schedule except option A Schedule X, B Schedule C and C1, C Schedule H and option D Schedule O. Correct answer is option B Schedule C and C1. Question number 16. Antidote used for the treatment of organophosphorus poisoning. Option A physostigmine, B pyridostigmine, C pralidoxim, D pilocarpine. Correct answer is option C pralidoxim. Then question number 17. Toxic principle present in castor seed. Option A resinotannic acid, B resinolic acid, C isoresinolic acid, D resin. Correct answer is option D resin. Then question number 18. Total number of axial bone in adult human body. Option A 126, B 80, C 206 and D 202. Correct answer is option B 80. Then question number 19. Indian senna are obtained from the plant. Option A Cassia angustifolia, B Cassia acutifolia, C Cassia obovata, D Cassia auriculata. Correct answer is option A Cassia angustifolia. Question number 20. Which among the following is a liquid alkaloid? Option A nicotine, B colchicine, C quinine. Correct answer is option A nicotine. Next category is general science. Question number 21. How much quantity of carbon dioxide reaches atmosphere when 1 kilogram methane is burned? Options are A 3.03 kilogram, B 3.50 kilogram, C 1.25 kilogram and option D 2.75 kilogram. Correct answer is option C, that is 1.25 kilogram. 22. The hormone that regulates the rhythm of life is option A prolactin, B auxin, C cortisol and D melatonin. Correct answer is option D, that is melatonin. Question number 23. Speed of sound is higher in which of the following medium? Option A liquids, B solids, C gases and option D all of these. Correct one is option B, that is solids. Then 24. In human, 47 numbers of chromosomes, that is 44 plus XXY is resulted in. Options are A Klinefelter syndrome, B Down syndrome, C Edwards syndrome, D Turner syndrome. Correct answer is option D, that is Turner syndrome. Then question number 25. Which type of light waves or rays used in remote control and night vision camera? Options are A ultraviolet, B X-rays, C infrared and option D microwave. Correct one is option C infrared. Next question. Archaeopteryx is a connecting link of the following animals. Option A pisces and amphibians, B reptiles and aves, C aves and mammals, D amphibians and reptiles. Correct answer is option B, that is reptiles and aves. Then question number 27. Refrigeration is a process which option A kills bacteria, B inactivates the bacteria, C slows down the bacterial growth, D plasmolysis the bacteria. Correct answer is option C, that is slows down the bacterial growth. Then question number 28. Reduction is addition of. Options are A hydrogen, B water, C oxygen, D benzene. Correct answer is option A hydrogen. Then question number 29. Father of mutation theory. Options are A Hugo de Vries, B Gregor Mendel, C Stanley Miller, D Morgan. Correct one is option A, that is Hugo de Vries. Question number 40. The frequency of ultrasound wave is typically. Options are A, above 20,000 kHz, B, below 20 kHz, C, above 20 kHz, D, below 2 kHz. Correct answer is option C, above 20 kHz. Next topic is General English. Question number 31. Fill in the blanks. Creativity is a quality that dash architect master process. Option A, an, B, a, C, all, and option D, the. Correct answer is option A, an. Next one, fill in the blanks. The consumers are quite pleased dash the new product. Option A, in, B, by, C, at, and option D, with. Correct answer is option D, with. Then 33. Choose the correct reported form of the following sentence. Did you have your lunch? Mother told the child. Option A, mother asked the child whether did he have his lunch. Option B, mother asked the child whether he had his lunch. Option C, mother asked the child whether did you have your lunch. Option D, mother asked the child whether you had your lunch. Correct one is option B. Next question 34. The Panchayat is constructing a community hall in our ward. Choose the correct passive form of the above sentence. Options are A, community hall is constructed in our hall. B, a community hall has been being constructed in our ward. C, a community hall is being constructed in our ward. Then option D, a community hall has been constructed in our ward. Correct answer is option C, that is a community hall is being constructed in our ward. Next question 35. Intrepid means option A, brave, B, cowardly, C, wise, and option D, foolish. Correct answer is option A, brave. Next question. A is the female of option A, elephant, B, parrot, C, sheep, and option D, boar. Correct answer is option C, sheep. 37. Replace the underlined word with one which is opposite to its meaning. Only indigent customers use this product. Here the underlined word is indigent. Then the options are A, poor, B, quality conscious, C, affluent, D, local. Correct answer is option C, affluent. Then 38. Be abreast of something means options are A, keep away from, option B, be better than, C, be similar to, D, be up to date with. Correct answer is option D, that is be up to date with. Question number 39. Fill in the blank. The shopkeeper along with his helpers dash the shop at 10 o'clock every day. Options are A, opens, B, open, C, is opening, D, are opening. Correct answer is option A, that is opens. Question number 40. Choose the meaning of the underlined word. Here the question is a disinterested referee controlled the title clash. Here the underlined word is referee and the options are A, impartial, B, inexperienced, C, experienced, and D, corrupt. Correct answer is option A, impartial. Next category is computer. 40. The exclusive rights granted for an invention is called option A copyright, B patent, C trademark, and option D industrial design. Correct answer is option B, that is patent. 42. An amendment to the Indian Act was passed by the Parliament in option A 2006, B 2007, C 2008, and option D 2009. Correct answer is option C, that is 2008. Then question number 43. Which section of Indian IT Act was invalidated by Supreme Court of India? Option A section 66A, B section 66B, C section 66C, and option D section 66D. Correct answer is option A, that is section 66A. Question number 44. Attempting to acquire username, password, etc. by claiming as the original website of a popular website is called option A hacking, B Trojan horse, C denial of service attack, and option D phishing. Correct answer is option D phishing. Next one. Which among the following is not an operating system? Options are A Windows, B Linux, C Mac OS, and D Safari. Question number 46. TCP IP stands for. Options are A Transfer Control Protocol, Internal Protocol, B Transfer Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, C Transmission Control Protocol, Internal Protocol, D Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Correct answer is option D, that is Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Question number 47. The speed of data transmission in Internet is measured in. Options are A bits per minute, B bytes per minute, C bits per second, and option D bytes per second. Correct answer is option C, that is bits per second. Next question. The initial term of registration of a trademark in India is option A 10 years, B 15 years, C 20 years, and option D 25 years. Correct answer is option A, that is 10 years. Question number 49. Which among the following statements are true about registers inside a CPU? First one. Registers are part of primary memory. Part B. Registers are volatile. Then the options are A only 1 is true, B only 2 is true, C both 1 and 2 are true, then option D both 1 and 2 are false. Correct answer is option C, that is both 1 and 2 are true. Question number 50. Functioning of a microprocessor is controlled by option A CPU, B control unit, C ALU, and option D all the above. Correct one is option B, that is control unit. Next category is reasoning. Question number 51. 3:27 is equal to 11:2. Options are A 121, B 1000, 221, C 1331, and option D 1441. Correct answer is option C, that is 1331. Next question 52. In the following numbers, find the odd one out. Here the numbers are 41, 43, 45, and 47. Then the options are A 41, B 43, C 45, and option D 47. Correct answer is option C 45. Then question number 53. A woman walks 40 meters to the east of her house, then turns left and goes another 20 meters, then turning to the west goes again 10 meters and starts walking to her house. In which direction she is walking now? Options are A. Northeast, B. Northwest, C. Southeast, and option D. Southwest. Correct answer is option D. Southwest. Then question number 54. B, D, G, K. Then find out the next letter in the series. And the options are A, R, B, M, C, O, and D, P. Correct answer is option D, P. Then question number 55. 2000 January 1st was Saturday. Then what was the day in 1900 January 1st? Options are A. Saturday, B. Sunday, C. Monday, and D. Tuesday. And the correct answer is option C, that is Monday. Then 56. On arranging the words physics, philosophy, philately, physical education, physiology as in a dictionary, the last word will be. Options are A. Physical education, B. Physiology, C. Philosophy, and D. Physics. Correct answer is option B. Physiology. Then 57. A is the brother of B, C is the sister of D, B is the son of C. How is A related to C? Option A. Nephew, B. Son, C. Brother, and D. Father. Correct answer is option B. Son. 58. Find the missing number, and the series of numbers are 37, 50, dash, 82, 101. Options are A. 63, B. 64, C. 65, and D. 66. Correct one is option C, that is 65. Question number 59. A number when divided by 5 leaves a remainder 3. When the square of the number is divided by 5, then the remainder is. Option A 3, B 4, C 0, and option D 1. Correct answer is option B 4. Next question. If alphabet is coded as Z, K, O, G, Z, A, D, S, then numeral is coded as. Now you can choose the correct answer from the options. Okay, here the correct answer is option A. Okay, then that's all for today's session. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Please share the video with your friends and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.